I got this. I'm thinking it's some sort of maybe a tractor wrench. I've never picked up one quite like this, so I'll have to do a little research and see if I can figure out what that number and this little logo is. If you guys are familiar with that logo, let me know. I picked up this little vise here just because I wanted to use it. It's made in Japan. Be useful for little projects. And I picked up this. Oh, that was $1.50. I got these two for $3, $1.50 a piece. This hammer was $1.